Alright techies, the wait is over. Samsung just dropped their latest creation and it's a beauty. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is here and it's packing some serious heat. This isn't just another tablet, it's a statement. It's Samsung flexing their tech muscles and we're all invited to the gun show. But hold your horses, before you smash that buy button, let's break this thing down. We're gonna dive deep into the good, the bad, and everything in between. Is the A9 Plus the tablet to rule them all? Let's find out. First impressions? This thing is thin bezels, premium finish, feels great in the hand. But let's talk specs, the good stuff. We're looking at a massive 11.4-inch display, perfect for, well, everything. Movies, games, work, you name it. Resolution? Crystal clear 2K, none of that pixelated nonsense here. Under the hood, we've got a powerful processor. Multitasking? No sweat. Gaming? It can handle itself. Though we'll get to the heavy lifting later. Storage? Plenty of options, expandable too. And the multi-window feature? Game changer for productivity. Oh, and the audio? Dolby Atmos, baby, your ears will thank you. Okay, time for some real talk. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. The A9 Plus has a fantastic display, but it's not AMOLED. That means those deep, inky blacks that Samsung is famous for? Not quite there. And yeah, the storage is expandable, which is great, but if you're a power user with a terabyte of movies, get ready to shell out for an SD card. Lastly, let's talk gaming. The A9 Plus can handle most games, but push it to the max with the latest titles, and you might see some slowdown. Not a deal breaker, but worth noting. Alright, now it's your turn. What do you think of the A9 Plus so far? Are you drooling over the specs, or are the drawbacks making you hesitate? Hit the comments and let me know. And more importantly, how would you use this tablet? Work? Play? A bit of both? I want to hear your A9 Plus story. Here's the thing about the A9 Plus. It's versatile. The large display and powerful processor make it a productivity powerhouse. Imagine yourself editing documents, responding to emails, and attending video calls, all on a single stunning screen. Then when it's time to unwind, the A9 Plus seamlessly transforms into an entertainment hub. Stream your favorite shows, lose yourself in immersive games, or let the Dolby Atmos audio transport you to another world. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus doesn't judge your lifestyle, it enhances it. It's a companion for work, a portal for entertainment, and everything in between. So, there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy. Tab A9 Plus is a seriously impressive piece of tech. It's got the looks, the power, and the versatility to be your go-to device. Are there compromises? Sure, there always are. But for most users, the A9 Plus will be more than enough tablet. It all comes down to your needs and priorities. If you're looking for a premium tablet experience without breaking the bank, the A9 Plus deserves a serious look. It's a powerful tool for work, a captivating window into the world of entertainment, and a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation. The future of tablets is here, and it's looking pretty damn good.